So, you want to be a voice actor and narrator? Good. You're at the right place. So do I.
456 Studios.
So, what do I envision this channel to be? I want this channel to be our journey. The documentation, the diary, the do's and the do nots of how to become a voice actor or narrator. And everything that I learn, I want to pass along to you. Let's open some dialogue. Let's have some discussions. If there's things that you want to know and questions that you have, ask, and I will find the answers if I don't know them already. This will be the journey. I started in 2015 doing kind of voice acting and narration as a hobby. And this year in 2024, I've finally taken it serious. I've started a business and I want to go down this path. This is what I want to do. I want to make this a career. So let's see if we can get there together. What I'm thinking about on this channel is tutorials, showing you the audition process and kind of the grind that you're going to have to go through. You don't have to feel alone in this process because we all have to go through it, right? It's the grind. So let me show you a little bit of that. And maybe we'll learn some tips and tricks along the way. Maybe we'll do a little bit of gear talk too. If maybe you're a beginner and you want to know, hey, what kind of microphone do I need? Or what should I go down? This is my budget. Let's talk about those things. Maybe I'll do some reviews of some gear and I'll let you know. And then I'm also thinking about maybe doing some live streams, maybe some Q&A, or we'll do something, fun. Maybe go down the audition rabbit hole and we'll just knock out as many auditions as we can in one day or something. We'll do something. Live streamy, I guess. Maybe. We'll see. But if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments down below. Welcome to the channel. I can't wait to start this journey with you. Let's get to it.